Good morning, students. Welcome back to the English Channel Prime. Students, today we'll start a new lesson under Pro 7, The Great Sacrifice. Let us first read out the pre-reading task and understand it, and then answer a few questions that follows. Later, we'll start with the lesson. I'll read and then explain it to you. So follow the sentences, students. Read the following extract from the Mahabharata and answer the following questions. Kunti went to her son Karna and requested him not to reuse an arrow at the battlefield against Arjuna. Karna happily gave the boon. He thought that his mother was greater than his boon. Later on, he was easily killed by Arjuna in the battlefield as he would not reuse the arrow. So students, this is an extract from Mahabharata, our holy epic, written by the great sage Vedavasa. Students, I hope you remember the story of Karna and Kunti. I am going to share the beautiful song from Star Plus Mahabharata and will explain the story of Kunti and Karna. Karna was born to Kunti out of a mantra given by sage Durvasa, through which Kunti invoked sun god out of curiosity at a young age before marriage, and Karna was born. Being unable to explain the child born to her, she placed the child in a basket and set it afloat on the river Ganga. The child was later brought up by a charioteer and became Karna. Throughout his lifetime, Karna had to fight against many misfortunes. With time, Duryodhana had befriended him, and even though he was a charioteer's son, he gave him wealth and fame. He made him the Angraj Karna. So, eventually, Karna fought on behalf of his close friend Duryodhana against his own brothers during the Kurukshetra war. Because of this, Kunti went to her son Karna and requested him not to wage a war against his own brothers. At least he asked him not to fight against Arjuna and not to use an arrow at the battlefield. And Karna, being very kind and very duty bound, he agreed happily to this boon, because as per him, his mother was greater than any boon. And later on the battlefield, he was killed by Arjuna very easily. So now let's answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did Kunti go to Karna? Children, why she went? Yes, Kunti went to Karna to request him not to reuse an arrow in the battlefield against Arjuna. Second question. Was Kunti right in taking away the 3 boons? Explain. No, she was not right in taking away the 3 boons. She knew that Karna could easily be killed without his armor. She wanted to save Arjuna by making Karna helpless. Third question. Discuss. What was the sacrifice made by Karna? Karna sacrificed not only his protective armor but also his life for the sake of his mother. He considered his mother's wish more important than his life. Question A. Discuss these points with your classmates. What is the greatest thing that you can appreciate in your mother? Is it to give up everything she has for her child? Is it to give up her life for her child? Yes, children, we can write the answer. Mother is considered to be God's representative on the earth to take care of his children. Nothing can equal a mother's love. A mother brings up her child with all the affection and love. In times of difficulty, she is even ready to sacrifice everything she has for the sake of her child. She does not care for her own comforts. Sometimes she sacrifices her own life. Both of these qualities are great. Only a mother does this and no one else. When it comes to the question of my mother, I don't want her to give up anything for me. I want her to lead a happy and contented life. I would do my best to keep her happy lifelong forever. So, children, you can write your own answer with your own words.